Imagine a world where you don't need to remember a bunch of passwords for every website you visit. That's the promise of Web3 login, where you use your cryptocurrency wallet as your digital key. It's like having a single, secure passport that unlocks access to all your online accounts. Instead of typing in a new username and password, you simply connect your wallet to the website or app you want to access. This connection is made using a unique identifier called a public key, which is linked to your wallet address. When you connect your wallet, the website or app sends a signed message to your wallet, asking for your permission to access data. You then sign this message using your private key, which is like your secret code that only you know. This signature confirms that you're the one authorizing the access. The website or app then verifies your signature using your public key. If the signature matches, you are granted access and you're logged in without ever needing to create a password. This process is secure because your private key is never shared with a website or app, and it's stored securely on your device. So Web3 login is a more secure and user-friendly way to authenticate yourself online. It eliminates the need for passwords, reduces the risk of hacking, and gives you more control over your data.